And here's the second video here. This is the wind-up mechanism inside. Cleaned it and kind of polished the pieces that were shiny. They're not really shiny anymore, but they're shinier than they were. This was all covered in cat hair. It was nasty. There's no key, but as you can see, the internals are fairly clean now. I still got to oil it up, but this actually still works. If you wind it with the screwdriver here, hold on. Pretty cool. So when I finish cleaning the track pieces, I'll oil this up here once this is all dried overnight. Put a coat of wax on it, put the locomotive back on there, and then we'll run around and play with the train. $20.